What is going on, guys? Bringing you another video, and today I'm just testing out the new mic on the new helmet. And what better way to do that than just to make an introduction video to tell you guys what this channel is all about while taking a nice ride on these twisty roads. So with that out of the way, I'm Chance, and what I want for this channel is for you guys to come in here, watch my videos and be entertained, and maybe just learn something new from my riding experience. And of course, I just want to grow the community of motorcycle enthusiasts, because people that don't ride sometimes don't understand why we take the risk, and I just want to be able to show that. And if for anybody that is on the fence about riding, watching me do it, you'll be like, oh, if he can do it, then I should be able to do it too. I started riding my first motorcycle. This 650 here is actually my first ever, and I'm in my late 20s, so I started really late riding motorcycles, and I gotta say the experience has been awesome. And I love the freedom that you have, the control that you have over the bike, and being able to just enjoy all the views and feel the wind. And I can't complain about the speed either, but it does take practice, guys. You can't just come out here and start taking turns left and right without some knowledge or experience, and taking it slow, definitely. Otherwise, you'll probably be done with it pretty fast. But guys, obviously this channel will be all about my experiences and moto vlogging, tips and tricks here and there, and hopefully a couple of motorcycle reviews that I get to ride. And for me personally, I created this channel for my own personal growth. I'm a huge introvert, and usually I just always sound like I'm low on energy and not excited about things. So I want to be able to change that perspective for myself, and this just gives me the opportunity to do that, and to be able to communicate with you guys for anyone that's also interested in motorcycles. This was just a short little introduction video. And once again, guys, welcome to the Moto community. We are on our way to 200 subs on the channel now. It's just unbelievable. I didn't think anybody would be watching me, or we would grow this fast. So I want to thank all my viewers for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what you want to see in the future. Until next time, guys, ride safe out there. I'll see you later.